Good day everyone, my name is Stephanie Nicolas, BSCS 4A students, and in this video, I will discuss about operating system and its basic function and its importance and other topic like multiprocessor system, graphical user interface, and virtual memory. What do you mean by an operating system? Operating system is an interface between the user and the hardware and enables the interaction of a computer's hardware and software. Also, an operating system is software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, storage management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk, drives, and printers. Operating system functions. Device management. Operating system manage device communication via their respective drivers. It does the following activities for device management: keeps tracks all device, I/O controller is responsible for this task, decides which process gets the device when and for how much time, allocates the device in an efficient way, and deallocates devices. File management. The operating system allocates and deallocates resources. It regulates which process gets the file for what duration. Also, it keeps track of information, location, uses, status, and etc. The collective facilities are often known as a file system. OS also performs tasks like creating directories and files, copying and moving them, and renaming and deleting files. Memory management. Memory management refers to the management of primary or main memory. Main memory provides fast storage which can be accessed directly by CPU. When the program is executed and finished, the memory area is freed which can be used for other programs. Computer memory is arranged such the fastest registers come first allowed by the CPU cache, random access memory, and then disk storage. The operating system's memory manager coordinates the use of various types of memory, which is to be allocated or deallocated, and how to move data between them. Process management. Every program running on a computer is a process. Whether it is in the background or in fronted, the operating system is responsible for making multiple tasks to run at the same time, multitasking. Operating system finds the status of processor and processes, choose job and its processor, allocates processor to process, and deallocates process when it's executed. Mastermind. Mastermind is one term we can rightfully use for operating system. Reason: operating system performs multiple of functions which only can be performed by super intelligent mind, hence the term mastermind. OS provides booting without an operating system, provides facility to increase the logical memory of the computer system by using the physical memory of the computer system. OS controls the errors that have been occurred into the program, provides recovery of the system when the system gets damaged. Operating system breaks the large program into the smaller program. Those are also called as the threads, and execute those threads one by one. Storage management. Operating system controls all storage operations. Some of these includes how to store data or files into the computers and how users will access the files. The operating system is responsible for storing and accessing the files, creation of files, creation of directories, and reading and writing the data of files and directories, and also copy the contents of the files and the directories from one place to another place. So why is the operating system important? An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It's manage the computer's memory and processes as well as of its software and hardware. It also allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language. Without an operating system, a computer is useless. So, what is multiprocessor system? A multiprocessor system is a system in which two or more CPU or central processing systems are used. In this type of system, two or more processes can be processed in parallel at the same time interval. Advantages of multiprocessor systems: high throughput. Throughput is the number of processes executed by the CPU at a given time. So this type of system has higher throughput. Type of parallel processing. Parallel processing means the execution of multiple processes, also known as threads, at the same time. Less electricity usage. In a single processor system, there is more load as many processes have to be executed at a time. But in multiprocessor system, execution of multiple processes is done in a few times. That means multiprocessor CPU consume low electricity than a single processor. High reliability. As multiple processors share their work between one and another, so work is completed with collaboration. That means these systems are reliable. Economic, as more work is completed by the CPUs, so these systems are economically good as well. What is graphical user interface or GUI? The graphical user interface developed in the late 1970s by the Xerox Palo Alto Research Laboratory and deployed commercially in Apple's Macintosh and Microsoft's Windows operating system, was designed as a response to the problem of inefficient usability in early text-based and command line interfaces for the average user. Graphical user interfaces will become the standard of user-centered design in software application programming, providing users the capability to intuitively operate computers and other electronic devices through the direct manipulation of graphical icons such as buttons, scroll bars, window tabs, menu, cursors, and mouse pointing device. Many modern graphical user interfaces feature touchscreen and voice command interaction capabilities. Also, graphical user interface design principles conform to the model view controller software pattern, which separates internal representations of information from the manner in which information is presented to the user, resulting in a platform where users are shown which functions are possible rather than requiring the input of command codes. User interact with information by manipulating visual widgets, which are designed to respond in accordance with the type of data they hold and support the actions necessary to complete the user's task.